Hey, it's Fuzzy. Today I want to do a review on the DWF P12 231 DEWALT 18 gauge nail gun. Okay, this guy's pretty cool. It comes with its own case, obviously, instructions inside. And what's cool about this, and I'm going to come to the camera a little closer, but this is all changed, right? Like, look at that little handle right there. You can push down, close it, and open that, right? And then they've got this nice little thing you put on your belt, so you can hang it on your belt like that on the right-hand side. It comes with your chuck. And another thing that's cool is you can take this apart. And if you get a nail stuck in here or something, you can take that nail out. Also, you can take this apart to change these this mechanism in here if it breaks, right? It's got a nice little plastic thing here for it doesn't scar up your wood or whatever, right? So that goes down there and it just puts across like that, snap it down, and off you go. Yeah, nice little gun. You can adjust the trigger. So this means it's a pneumatic gun, so you can adjust the trigger up or down however you want. That way it only shoots the nail in as far as you want, right? So that's a pretty cool feature too, right? So we're gonna throw some air to it and put the nails in, and we'll see what we come up with. So you just take that, you throw the nails in there, close that up like that, throw some air on it. Oh boy, that's tight. Gotta wear it down a little bit. All right, so you stick that out there, grab some wood, and give her, right? And that's cool, right? Nice and quiet. And this thing is super light, right? Like, holy cow. Like, I don't know what it weighs, but it ain't weigh much. But yeah, all in all, great little gun. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.